cavemen. Ooga booga. Cavemen are here. I love the cavemen. Yeah. Yeah. Fire. 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 Hey, Granddad.
Mm.
Just to say, this is going on the internet, but it's going on my second channel where barely anyone watches from. Okay? My first channel has 179 subscribers and my other one has about 5. So, barely anyone watches my videos on my second one. My highest rated views on my second one, yeah, is about 4. But on my main one, yeah, it's 18,000.
Oh.
It is. Because I used to be a very small YouTuber who didn't know what was going on. Some of my videos were just testing stuff out, yeah? And now I make proper good ones. Like my Minecraft series, I have 9 episodes. Oh, is this where I get to put the fire on? The wood?
Well, that's still a bit much. I'll just got to put some near it. That's all.
Alright. Hang on. Oh yeah, Fitbit. Got
Don't
Fitbit
need
for my
that one.
birthday.
Don't need that on yet, but
Right,
won't be
look,
long.
look what I got for my birthday. I like your duffel bag, but now when I walk around here, people are going to think I'm stealing a bank or something. Look, see? How many steps I've done?
Yeah, well, you always borrow my bag.
Yeah, I know. Right, hang on, I'll be back. Mother, guess what? Hang on. Fire!
Come on then if you want to put a bit on.
Yeah, I would. What, do I just chuck it on?
No, not chuck it.
Alright.
Well, yeah, don't put your hand in, obviously, but put it on that side, the left side, where all the flames are.
What
Don't
side?
chuck it like that.
Alright.
Just like this.
Alright.
All you do,
Like that, okay. I'm just going to go round.
put it round that side, where all the flames
This
are.
side.
No, where all those flames are, there. Look.
There. In the
Yeah,
middle.
over that side, over the side.
Alright. What? What? Then I just...
Yeah, just pop it in there.
With that?
Yeah, that's it.
Can I borrow that stick so I can just push this log under?
Why?
For this. See?
No, oh, I see.
There we go. Fire! Yeah, cavemen. We had 2 sticks. Oh, there she goes. There she blows. The demons are coming. We summoned them. Come on, Grandad, you've got this. Yeah. Oh, be careful, Grandad. Yes! Grandad, the demons are coming. Basically, what it means the demons will come into the fire, yeah? It'll make the fire rose. So we won't have to put any more wood in. How many steps have you done today? I've got 14,000. I've done more than Mum. Because I've got to walk to school, walk a whole round school for around 6 hours, then walk back to school, from school, walk home.
I've done
I need this.
5,000.
Oh, I have that app. Yeah. I need this editing app called CapCut. I think. Yeah, because right now, if I took a picture of this, yeah, I can make it look like fires everywhere, and like I have some fire powers and stuff. Really need that app. Woo. I think I have it, but I'm not sure actually. I never know what I have. Pow! Pow! Oh, look at that! Oh, voice from the back, yeah? Pow! 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 I look stupid doing this. Pow! 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 Pow!
I'm making myself look stupid.
Techers. Pow, 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 pow. Oh, what came out as well? Nice. Hey guys. Come around. Ooh. Impossible. Did it? Yeah. Right. Where is it? I've found the plastic. There. Right now. Right.
You right, Finn?
Yeah.
What was that bang?
Oh, I kicked the ball and it hit there.
Oh, right.
I'm just playing football.
Alright.
Go
What's
on,
the
board.
fire?
What?
What's the fire?
Don't worry, I'm over here. The fire's there. Right, hello. I'm back. Oh, hello. I've burned so many calories today. If I stop doing anything, alright? I'll be back.
I need a drink. I've got one.
Right, don't mind me, I've got to get a drink. Right now, look at the fire. I think it needs some more wood, you know? Oh, hang on, Grandad. Pow! Pow, pow. Grandad, can we use this stick to get the ball out the tree?
No,
Why?
that's too tall.
There's a ball in the tree.
Yeah, I see that.
Pow! Grandad, am I allowed to use the stick to take the lid off?
Yeah, wait until I get there.
Right, I'll just hold it. And then I want to also put one in.
Can't get it off then.
Right, I also want to put one in.
crisscross. That's the idea.
So, there. Right. Can we keep the lid off?
Now put the lid back on.
There. There?
Yeah, that's good.
Granddad, no zombies are attacking me today. Bah, 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 bah. Pah! Come this way, boy. Fire, yes. Oh, don't worry, there'll be more exciting stuff like fireworks coming soon. But later. Yeah. I can't really turn up the... Oh, is this better for you? Oh my bloody hell. Is that better? It's still dark. Hello. I'm bored.